How to send or receive crypto on Revolut. So let's get started. I'm going to start by tapping on this crypto tab. And next you will see receive and send. But if you don't see it, because a lot of you guys, you don't see it, you need to choose some cryptocurrencies, for example, Bitcoin. And here, if you click on these three dots, you can see send or receive. I'm gonna click on send. So now if we want to send some Bitcoin, we need to add wallet address. So here you can easily scan the address or the QR code like this. Or you can just simply put the whole address here. Make sure the address is correct, so you're not gonna send someone else the Bitcoin or your cryptocurrencies. And also you get the option Revolut Friends. So if you already sent someone some crypto, you can see him here, or you can add new contact here if you click on add new contact. Okay, and if you want to receive crypto, just click here on receive. And it will generate this QR code for people. So if they scan it, they will get your address. But also double check if they got your correct address, you never know. Or you can simply click on copy and you can copy this address and send to them. Okay, also important information, risk of loss. You can only receive Bitcoin on Bitcoin network, so make sure it's on Bitcoin network. Please make sure you know how crypto works. I'm not crypto specialist. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you how it works on Revolut app. Also, there is no limit for receiving crypto, but there is limit for sending crypto. So if you click on learn more, you can read how much you can send out. Thank you for watching. And if you want to support this channel, check the useful links down below in the description and have a nice day. See you later.